Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax like Wylie, 803-831-2101. I wanted to bring you guys a 2022 Harris 210 Cruiser. This is a very tastily built boat, but still keeping it very economical. I'm going to go over it real quick just so you can get a great taste for it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it's got the standard color fence railing going all the way around, which is matching up with our bimini top in that same finish. We have our sterling gray fence color that is wrapped all the way around the entire boat. Now, going back to our stern area here, let me show you what's going on back here. So, we have our standard CSL seating layout. This is a very, very easy layout to go with because you can sit people on either side. It doesn't have any moving parts as far as how this back moves, so it's a very, very good package. You have your safety rails across the back here. That way, you can utilize this platform a lot more and actually ride back here underway. Great spot for spotter's bench, watching the water sports, or just hanging out right next to the family at the sandbar. Then, of course, you notice the big ol' Mercury 150 horsepower motor. This is a wonderful drivetrain for this boat. And it's going to push a 21-footer along very, very well and even be capable of doing skiing. So very, very flexible boat. Of course, going over to our starboard side, we have our 4-step telescoping ladder. That way it's super easy to fold up into position, and it's just really easy to board in and off of this boat. Now as we walk into the actual hangout spot in our boat here, just look at how really nice this is wrapped around. You're gonna be able to sit a lot of people here and also be inclusive into one nice group here, of course. Coming over to our helm, very tastefully built here. You have your standard gauges that it's gonna have depth finder, your heading, all of the essentials that you would need. Then you have your removable windshield for one of those days where you just need a little bit less wind in your face. Your Clarion Bluetooth stereo system that comes with 4 Clarion speakers in total. Very, very quality sounding system and really easy to use. That's a big thing, especially not being touchscreen during the days you're jumping in and out of the water. You know how your fingers can get on touchscreen, so that's really helpful. Coming up here to the bow, you have very expansive seats for a 21-foot pontoon. It's incredible, and of course, with a big seat like this, you get an incredible amount of storage. And of course, please notice that all of these are on hinges. That way you are not worried about dealing with your items and also having to fumble with the seat. All right, guys, my name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. If you guys have any questions, please contact us and let us know how we can help. Thank you.